Welcome to EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn about equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Now, every point of the form x, 0 will be plotted on x-axis because on x-axis the y coordinate of each point is 0. For example, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. Here x can be any number. So these all points will be plotted on x-axis because these are of the form x 0. So 2, 0 will be plotted here, 3, 0 will be plotted here, 4, 0 will be plotted here. Now the equation of x-axis can be given as y is equal to 0 because it can be written as 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 0. So here for any value of x, y will always be 0. For example, for x is equal to 2, y will be 0 always. That is y is equal to 0. So here we can see that for any value of x, the y will always be 0. So the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. It is the equation of x-axis. Similarly, every point of the form 0y will be plotted on y-axis because on y-axis the x coordinate of each point is 0. For example, the points 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 will be plotted as on y-axis 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Here y can be any number as 2, 3, 4, etc. So the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0, and what we conclude here that equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0, where it can be written as 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 0. For any value of x, y will always be 0. Now, the equation of y-axis is given by x is equal to 0. That can be written as 1 into x plus 0 into y is equal to 0. For any value of y, x will always be 0. Let's do an example. Solve and represent the solution on Cartesian plane. The equation is 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. Now, we can solve it like this. 2x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 1. This will be x is equal to minus 4. This is the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis where x is equal to minus 4. Now this equation can be written as 1x plus 0y is equal to minus 4. Now this is the equation in two variables x and y. Now for this equation denoted by 1, for any value of y, x will always remain minus 4. So we can take any value of y, that is x will always be minus 4, and we can take any value of y, say 0, we can take 2, we can take 3. So here we observe that for any value of y, x will always be minus 4. Now, we will plot these points on the graph as minus 4, x coordinate is minus 4 and y is 0. So it will be plotted here. Now, minus 4 and 2 perpendicular to the x-axis, 2 is here. That is minus 4 and 2. This is minus 4 and 0. Now next point is minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 and 3 will be plotted here. That is minus 4 and 3. Now join these points. Now you can observe that the graph AB is a line parallel to the y-axis and is at a distance of 4 units left to it. Similarly, we can draw a parallel line parallel to the x-axis. For example, for the equation y is equal to 3, we can draw a line parallel to the x-axis as we can write this as 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 3. Now for any value of x, y will always be 3. For example, 1 3, 4 3, 2 3. Now we will plot the graph for these points. Here 1 3, 1 3, that is here 1 3. Now 4 3, 4 and 3, that is here 4 3. Now 2 3, 2 and 3, that is here 2 3. Now we will join these points. We obtain a parallel line to x-axis, that is AB. This is all about equations of line parallel to x-axis and y-axis.